What's going on, y'all? My name is Charlie and welcome to Go Fast Nation. Today's the video that y'all have been waiting for. It's the exhaust comparison video with the headers. So without further ado, let's get this started. Alrighty, right off the bat, I can tell from inside the car that it is a lot deeper, definitely louder, but not too loud. It's a good sound. That MBRP Race Catback really sounds good. That H-pipe on it, paired up with these Kooks Longtubes, it is absolutely delicious sounding. Definitely noticeably louder, but it's not obtrusive. It's not blaring at you. And it definitely feels faster. Now, I got the Lund tune, and they tell me that that you don't have to get it retuned. They says that the tune will compensate for itself. So right now we're kind of figuring that out, but it definitely does feel faster. And that sound is pure bliss. We're gonna go ahead and pull up here and try to get a couple of flybys for you so you can hear what it sounds like. And I'll put in a clip of the old setup versus the new setup, like back to back, so you can actually see what's the difference is. Those are the sound clips, and this thing flies. I absolutely love it. Now what we're gonna do is I'm going to play with a little something special that Lund sent me. Let's check it out. Flash a little tune. Don't you power off on me. We're gonna flash a little tune. Cammed. Flash this tune. Yes. Oh, come on now. There we go, loading tune. And now I'm not gonna sit here and make you watch 3 minutes. So, in the power of editing, 3, 2, 1, and done. Alrighty, let's shut it off. 10 seconds. That this damn thing does not like me. Okay. Come on now. For some reason that message does not want to go away. I don't know if it's just me or if it's, no, I don't freaking know. Anyway, let's see what this thing sounds like. Not bad. Pretty not bad. Well, dumb rookie mistake. My phone died. So it's the next day. The Lund tune with the cam tune, driving on it with the automatic just doesn't work. They refuse to refine it, but it jerks really bad when you're at a stop, and it sounds great at idle, you know, just sitting there it's great. But when you actually try to drive on it, it surges, it kind of bucks a little bit, it tries to die when you're going slow. Just not a fan. So we went ahead and flashed the normal tune back on there, smooth idle, runs like hell. Happy with the tune, I love how fast it is, but not with the cam tune on it. So, I don't know, I guess we'll just use it when we go to a car show or something. But anyway, if you like what you see here, please smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't. Y'all have a good one.